The last video I have given you some assignment. I hope you are all completed that assignment. Now we are going to continue the same exercise 1.3 wording problems. Question number 3. A man is appointed in a job with a monthly salary of certain amount and a fixed amount of annual increment. So suppose your annual increment will be 500, means each year it is increased 500. If his salary was rupees 19,800 per month at the end of the first month of after 3 years of service. So what is the given information? After 3 years your salary will be 19,800. So 3 years increment plus starting salary, and rupees 23,400 per month at the end of the first month after 9 years of service. Find his starting salary and his annual increment by matrix inversion method to solve the problem. So what you have to do, first you read the question 2 times, then only you can understand what is given, how we can frame the equation. So first of all you should know how to frame the equation. So how I can frame the equation? Let the man's starting salary be X and his annual increment be Y. I am taking salary as X and annual increment be Y. So this one 19,800 is nothing but salary plus 3 years increment. 1 year increment is Y, 3 years increment 3Y, and salary is X. This is no change. Whether it is 20 years or 30 years or 40 years, that is your X, no change. Only this part will change according to the year. So it is clear. X plus 3Y equal to 19,800 and X plus 9Y, second it is given after 9 years of your service you will be getting 23,400. So these are the two given equation. You have to write in matrix form 1319 xy as usual, and your constant, these two are called the constants, 19,800, 23,400. So Ax equal to B, x equal to A inverse into B. So A as usual, A inverse 1 pi determinant of A into adjoint of A. What is your adjoint of A? Interchanging the diagonal elements, you have to change the sign here, -3 -1. So we can find the x value 1 by 6 times 9 minus 3 minus 1 19,800 23,400, and 9 times 19,800 value is 1,78,200, and 3 times 23,400 will be 70,200. Subtraction of these two you will get 1,08,000, and minus 1 into 19,800 and plus 1 into 23,400. So plus 23,400, it is 1 by 6 of 1,08,000 and 36,000. So we are dividing 1,08,000 by 6, you will be getting 18,000. So 18,000 and 3,600 is 600. So this represents your X and Y. Therefore we can conclude our answer. Starting salary as 18,000 and annual increment is 600. Question number 4. 4 men and 4 women can finish a piece of work jointly in 3 days, while 2 men and 5 women can finish the same work jointly in 4 days. Find the time taken by one man alone and that of one woman alone to finish the same work by using matrix inversion method. So what is your given information? 4 men and 4 women can complete one work in 3 days, and 2 men, 5 women can complete the same work in 4 days. You have to find one man alone how long to complete the same work, and one woman also the same thing. Now how to start? Let the time taken by one man alone be X days. The man taking days is X. At the same time one woman alone be Y days time taken, right? So how to write? This can be written as one man 1 day work is 1 by X. This is from your 10th standard. You have the same type of question in your 10th standard. So the number of days and work we have to frame equation like this. So 1 man 1 day work is 1 by x, 4 man 1 day work is 4 by x. Like that your 4 women 1 day work is 4 by y. Therefore by the given data 4 men and 4 women can finish the work in 3 days. So 4 by x plus 4 by y equal to 1 by 3. The second information 2 men and 5 women, that is 2 by x plus 5 by y equal to 1 by 4. Okay. So now how we can solve? We cannot do directly. So we are converting into some other equation. 1 by x equal to a, 1 by y equal to b. 1 by x is a, so this becomes 4a. Like that, this is 4b. 1 by 3 no change, and here 1 by x is a again, so 2a plus 5b equal to 1 by 4. We are cross multiplying. 3 into 4a 12a, 3 into 4b 12b, this 3 cancel, so you will get 1. Like that, the second equation 2 into 4 8a, 5 into 4 20b equal to 1. So we got the equation. Now the matrix equation is 12, 12, 8, 20, AB, 1, 1. So that can be taken as AX equal to B. So your determinant of A, 12, 12, 8, 20, 12 into 20, 240, 8 into 12, 96. So the answer is 144. Adjoint of A, interchanging the numbers 20 and 12, changing the sign, minus 12, minus 8. Therefore, A inverse is nothing but 1 by 144, 20 minus 12 minus 8 plus 12. Okay. So we can write our x value. Your x value equal to 1 by 144 and 20 minus 12 minus 8, 12, 1, 1. Your constant values are 1, 1. So directly we can, addition means we can add, subtraction means we can subtract. Like 20 minus 12 is your first entry. Minus 8 plus 12 is your second entry. We are multiplying with this one. Okay. So it is 20 minus 12 is 8. Minus 8 plus 12 is 4. Now 8 by 144 and 4 by 144. 8 by 144 is 1 by 18 and 4 by 144 is 1 by 136. 1 by 36. So your A value is nothing but 1 by 18. B value is nothing but 1 by 36. Therefore, your 1 by x is a we have taken. So, x is nothing but 1 by a. 1 by y equal to b, that implies we can say y equal to 1 by b. So, your x value is 1 by 18 becomes 18. Like that, your y equal to 36. So, what is your final answer? The time taken by one man alone is 18 days. So, man can complete the same work in 18 days. At the same time, time taken by one woman alone is 36 days to complete the same work. So it is clear. Now the question number 5. The prices of 3 commodities A, B and C are X, Y and is set per units respectively. A person B purchases 4 units of B, okay, and sells 2 units of A and 5 units of C. And person Q purchases 2 units of C and sells 3 units of A and 1 unit of B. Person R purchases 1 unit of A and sells 3 unit of B and 1 unit of C. In the process, P, Q, R earns 15,000, 1,000 and rupees 4,000 respectively. Find the prices per unit of A, B and C. Use matrix inversion method to solve the problem. So the same question, how we can proceed? First you should know how to frame the equation. So it is given, profit is given. So you have to take purchase minus and sales plus sign. So your first equation by the given data, 2x minus 4y plus 5z equal to 15,000. So where it is given? Here. 4 units of purchase of 4 units of B. So minus 4y and sells 2 units of A. So 2x and 5 units of C. Like that your second equation 3x plus y minus 2z equal to 1000 And the third equation, minus x plus 3y plus z equal to 4000. Your matrix equation, 2 minus 4 5, 3 1 minus 2 minus 1 3 1, and x y z, and your constant value 15,000 1000 4000. So ax equal to b, x equal to a inverse into b. And your determinant of A, I found out 68. You have to prove the value. Like that, your cofactor matrix, 7 minus 1 10, 19 7 minus 12, 3 19 14. That also you have to find yourself. So I am going to direct. Okay, so now your adjoint of A, 7 19 3. Your A inverse equal to 1 by 68, 7 19 3, minus 1 7 19, 10 minus 2 14. So x equal to A inverse into B, A inverse and B value. The product 7 into 15, 105, so 1,05,000. 19 into 1 is 19,000. 3 into 4, 12, so 12,000. Like that, your second one, third one. Your answers are 1,36,000, 68,000, 2,04,000. So 1,38,000, 36,000 divided by 68, you will get 2,000, and 68,000 by 68, you will get 1,000, and 2,04,000 is divided by 68, you will get 3,000. So the price values of x is 2,000, y equal to 1,000, and z equal to 3,000. So it is clear.